hydroplane, fucking big ass puddles.
This is stressful. We got a big deal, and this is happening. They're like, oh, what? A big deal? Yeah, a big deal. Right now, I'm trying to go to the library, get the contract for this guy to sign, because I saw the house, and if that house looked just like the house on Craigslist, I'm putting it on the contract. No questions asked. Okay. I gotta record this. Oh God! God damn it! It's worth it.
What I saw of you, and I was on Craigslist, and that's, all this, I was looking at different properties and all that, and I saw yours, like, see the video here. I'm like, okay, let me see. And then you went through, and I'm like, okay, here's a guy who's been studying it. He's hungry. I like how you went through and spent the time with it. And I watched your, really. I mean, it was because that's what business is all about, is providing value. I don't care what you look like, what you speak like, whatever. If you're providing value, people are going to see that, and if you're a hard worker and you haven't, then I emailed you and you emailed me back right away. And that's the other thing, just as important, is customer service.
It's like coaching your student, all right?
Well, let's do this. Let's go.
You mentioned some on Thursday that's happening between you and
The buyer, but I will call the owner in front of you, and you'll see how it works.
Okay.
And then the next one, you will call. Just test it. Just jump into it. Because the reason why I'm doing this, because like I say, the core part of doing this whole selling thing is just get started.
Yeah.
Just get started. Just jump in.
Yeah, just
jump
push
in.
your feet in there.
Just jump in. Don't think about it. Just do it. And as you're talking, you can learn. It's not that hard. So
It's, I can see it on her face.
she's nervous. All right.
Found one.
We found one. All right. So this one is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath, 1,100 square feet. This is close to what I have right here.
Oh, okay.
All right. So the owner wants to sell this for
75.
75,000.
But the estimated,
Look at that.
that's a
94.
big estimate. So that's the equity of what it would be.
And here's the thing about Zestimate. That's what they call it, Zestimate, whatever.
Zestimate. Okay. Is that something?
Most likely they way off. It can be cheaper or higher. Like, never count on that. I'm gonna do the first one.
Yeah, watch how you do it.
So,
Okay.
look at this house.
It's 3-bedroom.
3-bedroom, 1,100 square feet. This one is a brick.
Uh-huh.
The house look nice. Let's see here. 1 bed, brick. For sale by owner as in condition, cash buyers only. Stuff. It sounds like they know what they're doing. So these are the type of guys. I'm honest anyway, but these are the type of guys you have to say, I'm a wholesaler. 65,000. Okay. So if I find someone who's willing to take more,
Right.
is it okay?
Right.
So
Okay,
let's
they
call.
won't go down in the lower. That's what they're saying. They can't go down in the lower.
Man, that house. You saw the house. That house looked like they can be $100,000.
But they've already went down low.
Yeah, they went down low, super low.
For 65. Right.
Yeah.
Hello, is this Ron?
Yeah.
Hey, Ron, my name is Ray. I saw your your properties, and I'm interested. I saw your house, and I'm interested in buying your house.
Okay.
You said so on your ad. You say 65,000 is the lowest you can go.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. So I'm just wanted just to pay it off and walk away from it.
Okay. Now let me tell you about me. I buy properties for profit. Right. So just so you are aware, I may be assigning that house to someone else. Will you be okay with that as long as you get $65,000?
I get $65,000. I don't care whether if you turn it into a whorehouse. I don't care.
All right, sounds good. So the house looked like. Can you tell me more about the house? It looked like this is a nice house.
Yeah,
I'm trying to figure out why
I've lived in it ever since I was 4 years old.
Mm-hmm.
My mom and dad got divorced, so I bought the house from them. I started to do some home projects on it, here and there. Got new windows in it.
Mm-hmm.
Replaced the bathtub, put new towel around the bathtub. Started working on the kitchen. It's got all new kitchen cabinets in it, but the countertops are not complete. Because what it is it had granite countertops, but I made the kitchen a little bit bigger because my wife wanted some more cabinet space.
Mm-hmm.
So then I took a little bit of space into the master bedroom and made the kitchen bigger.
Oh wow.
It needs a new roof, overhanging gutters. We was going to add a second floor onto the top of it.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we hadn't done anything to that.
Okay.
And but yeah, it needs new roof, overhanging gutters.
New roof. Okay. And when would it be a good time to come by and see the house?
I am going to be showing it tomorrow from 9 to 10 o'clock.
From 9 to 10.
Yes, I can give you the address, and you can go by there, look at it, go around the outside of it and stuff, and look at everything.
Is there a way I can? So you would be there? Will you be there to show the house?
Yeah, in the morning I will be.
Okay. Yeah.
I say this afternoon if you want to go look at it first.
I want to take it. Like I think this is a good deal. For $65,000, I want to take it and put it on the contract, and I can close within 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Is that okay with you, or do you need to sell it sooner?
No. I mean, 2 weeks will be fine.
Okay. Are you available now, or?
I could be at the property in about 30 minutes. I have to go by there and get some stuff. I was going to go by there and get some tools and stuff. I haven't got, I don't live there anymore, and I've got a few stuff that I got to get from there. But if you would want to meet me over there in 35 minutes, I can do that.
Okay, will do. All right, sir. Yes, sir. No, I think you put the address on the Craigslist. Let me look.
Okay.
Let me be sure.
I don't think the address was on the Craigslist.
No, it's not. No. Okay.
All right, I'll text it to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. And see you then.
All right. Bye.
Because he's
Divorce.
divorced.
Now, and that's another thing about wholesalers. We look for distressed sellers, like divorce, death in the family. Like, they just want it, like you heard on the phone. He just want to get rid of it. He don't want to have nothing to do with it.
You have to go with that. He's ready to go. So with that thing, but this house,
But you saw how that house looked.
there's something underneath that. We got to figure out what's really going on.
We about to go there. You have time?
Yeah, we can do that. I know I'm supposed to pick up my son by sometime. I got to get my phone charged.
All right. Yeah, let's do that.
I'm trying to miss this shit so I don't damn hydroplane. Fucking big ass puddles.
This is stressful. We got a big deal, and this is happening. What the fuck? Okay, I'll be back. God damn it, it's worth it.
Because I need to fix it.
No, don't worry about it. Oh God, I gotta run out. I'm grabbing. I'm putting my. Good thing I bring my hoodie. Let's see here. I gotta record this. Oh God! God damn it! It's worth it! Alright, just print out the paper, the contract. I gotta close this deal now. I need to do is make sure I have contracts on me. Because I never know when I will come across a deal throughout my day. Like, as you saw, I was just doing an interview with Leora, and I was just testing the water to show her an example of me calling, and we went through Craigslist. Hey there, how you doing? Wow, this is a nice house. I'm Grace.
Hi, I'm Chelsea.
Wow.
Oh, this is a lovely house. It's very.
Yeah.
That's
Like I
beautiful.
said, I didn't finish the countertops yet. And here, I got crown molded for up here. I ain't even got that done yet. But like I said, I was in the middle of redoing everything, and then I got a new job, and so we just decided just to
Let it go.
just leave.
Oh, man.
This is what I was talking about here. Where we knocked this wall out. Up in here, there's some unfinished drywall over here.
Hey, can you come here?
Just some unfinished drywall over there. I was going to put a wall here with one of them sliding doors, barn doors, for another closet area.
Dude, I really think about keeping the house for myself.
Why don't we do that?
Holy. This is a nice house.
I wouldn't mind living here.
No, not now.
Well, it's like I said, I lived in it. I raised 3 kids in it, and like I said, I lived here until freaking 2 months ago.
2 months ago?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been sitting.
So where you got a new job at?
Carpenter's Union.
Okay.
I used to be just a carpenter. I'm working, but now I work for the union, so I go out, check it out and stuff like that.
All
And
right.
anybody needs a job.
Yeah, I know a couple of people.
Looking for framers, hangers, drywall guys, roofers.
Yeah?
Looking for.
I know a couple of guys.
Yeah.
So do y'all do hire on the spot? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Hey, we came here and got a great deal, and we can have other people out. Do you mind if we take a look around?
No, I don't mind.
Okay.
Whatever you want to.
All right. Let's
Have any questions? Just give me a call.
Okay. And how many bedrooms?
3.
Three?
That's a master.
Oh, that's the master.
There.
All right.
And then this is the smallest one right here.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh, this is real
This is, I
nice.
guess this is one was for your daughter.
Yeah. Yeah, I had 2 daughters.
Okay.
This is a
Yeah,
nice
I have
one.
one, and she's a handful.
Yeah.
Four.
And like I said, we redid the bathroom. It's been a while since we redid the bathroom, but The floor was rotting out. I put new flooring in, bathtub, and new shower.
Oh, that's
Wow.
really beautiful. I like this.
This is amazing.
The air conditioner works. It's just old. So I've been waiting for it to go out for years, but it just keeps on
Keep
going.
But
So
like,
yeah, I got it turned off now because I didn't want to waste no money. You know, I wanted to keep the lights and the water on so people can turn on lights and make sure everything works.
and what about the roof? How's the roof?
It needs a new roof.
A new roof. You need a new roof.
Yeah, it needs a new roof. It needs pretty
This is my
much.
partner. Okay.
Pretty much needs a new roof and new gutters and overhang all the way around.
Okay.
That's what was like I said. We was planning on building up.
How much you think the roof would cost?
I got an estimate for $4,800.
$4,800. That's not bad. $4,800. So overall repairs is like
Now, like I said, it just got cosmetic shit wrong. with it.
cosmetic and $4,800.
Like I said, all the appliances come with it. These are all on.
All this come with it?
Yeah, we bought all that less than 2 years ago, and the new house has all new appliances. So
Man.
Oh, that's nice. Relative to 2 years ago, you said?
yeah,
That's a pretty good deal. I'm Miss Jackson. Sorry, I'm late.
it's all right.
Okay.
No big deal.
I'm sorry to introduce
That's
you.
okay, that's
Right now, I'm just lost for words right now. I'm sorry. I'm going to decline this phone call. Sorry, Mom. I cannot talk to you right now.
Like I said, it needs a lot of cosmetic stuff.
Right.
That's why I'm selling it for what it is. You know, I'm not trying to. Like I said,
Get a lot out of it.
I could. If you put $20,000 in this house, you could sell it for 110 probably.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
that's why I like.
I ain't got time.
Right.
And I just, like I said, I just bought a new house, and all I got to do on it is go there, open my beer, and walk out on my back deck. So.
So this is a pool. I saw.
Yeah, the pool needs a little work.
Okay.
I'll show you what's wrong with it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
The
Two-car garage.
the pool.
65. This is amazing. You know what you're looking at?
Oh.
This is awesome. It is the country.
We actually swam in it last year.
So they giving me the house. They trust me 2 weeks, the closest deal. So let's see if I can do this. All right.